This is the TP-Link Tapo RV50 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop all-in-one dock. And what you're looking at here is the all-in-one self-cleaning station. Let's start with the clean water tanks. Over here, with a capacity of 5 liters, you have ample water to clean and mop your floor. Next, we've got the dirty water tank with a capacity of 4 liters. And it comes with an anti-odor agent shown inside here, where it will keep away the bad smells. Next, you have got the dust bag. This is a 3 liter dust bag where it will keep all your dust so that you do not need to replace it regularly. And it comes with a dedicated cleaning solution. Do note, this is only designed for this machine over here, so you need to replace it with the same cleaning agent from TP-Link. Let's take a look at the robot vacuum. You're looking at the mop attachment that is snap-on using magnets. It has got an tangle-free rollers to clean your floor, as well as side brush to reach out for the side edges. When the machine goes back after mopping, it also has got a hot water mop washing at 60 degrees C. After washing, it dries it at 50 degrees C warm air drying. Now the robot uses LiDAR for navigation. It is able to cross an obstacle with a height of 20 mm.
Starting brush haircut.
When docked, it will auto do a hair cutting on the rollers, so that the rollers will be performing at its optimum. So check out the Tapo RV50 Pro Omni Vacuum and Mop, plus the all-in-one station.